everyone, welcome back to Bhavana's English Classes. Students, rain affects us in one way or other. It is no surprise that rain related phrases and idioms have made their way in everyday English, isn't it, students? There are plenty of words and phrases which can describe the rain. So in today's class, students, I'm going to tell you all some rain related phrases as well as some idioms. Let's get started. You all might have heard saying, it's raining cats and dogs. Students, let me tell you all one thing, that raining cats and dogs doesn't mean that the animals are falling from the sky. It means तेज बारिश होनी. Now come to the next one, that is it's drizzling, means bunda bandi honi. Let me give you all an example of it. It's drizzling outside, so you can go to school today. बूंदाबांदी हो रही है या आप कह सकते हो हल्की बारिश हो रही है, इसलिए आप स्कूल जा सकते हो. Now come to the next one, rain off. Students, rain off means what? It means an event which is cancelled due to rain. Let me give you an example of it. The football match is a rain off. Means football match जो है cancel हो गया बारिश की वजह से. Now come to the next one. It's bucketing down. Okay. So what does it mean? It's mean intense heavy rain. मूसलाधार बारिश होना. It's bucketing down. So you can't go outside right now. मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है, इसलिए आप अभी बाहर नहीं जा सकते. These phrases is going to be really beneficial for you. Thanks for watching.